Hi there. In this video, I want to talk about the Amazon update regarding reviews that happened on October 3rd, 2016. What that means for you as an Amazon seller, what you can, what you cannot do to get reviews going forward. So, Amazon, up until October 3rd, 2016, they allowed what they now call incentivized reviews. So, incentivized reviews is, in short, it means that people could use a service, what they call a blast service, and they can go to that service and they would offer, they would have a big email list, and they would then say, give us 500 coupons for your product, for say sell it for $1, and they would pass out that coupon to their big email list, and in exchange they would ask that email list to leave a review for the product. That meant that new sellers would be able to rank their product from day one, because Amazon are looking for big spikes of purchases on their website for their product. So they would see there's 500 people buying the product within 2-3 days, and they would boost the product to page 1. And that worked amazingly for a lot of people. They would be able to rank their product in no time, and get the sales going. That's great. The only problem was that as the years went on, this has been going on for about 3 years, customers recognize this in the review sections of their product. For every product on Amazon, people will accuse Amazon of having fake reviews. They would accuse that product seller of having fake reviews, and people generally were beginning to lose trust in Amazon, lose trust in the Amazon review system, which really is Amazon's bread and butter. So they had to do something about it to protect the Amazon marketplace. So they, from October 3rd, going on 2016, they banned incentivized reviews. And that pretty much makes it harder to get reviews for new sellers, for old sellers. It's easy enough to get reviews if you're a big brand like Nike or Adidas or any other big company. But if you're a new Amazon seller, you're trying to launch a private label product as your own brand, this is, the old way of doing things is now gone. So you have to be creative. And it could be kind of hard to figure out what you can do. And as I already explained in my earlier video, the answer is, and it still is, a large spike of reviews and sales within a short time frame that will catch the attention of the Amazon algorithm and will boost you to page 1. But since you can't do incentivized reviews anymore, it's become trickier to get that spike. But that is what I'm going to teach you in the course. But first, let us spend some time to carefully look into the Amazon Terms of Service, the update that took place. And let's try to understand it, because we don't want to risk our account. You don't want to risk your Amazon account, because when you get banned, there's no going back. They'll ban you for life. So you don't want to risk that. So you want to make sure that you understand Amazon's Terms of Service, and so that going forward, everything you do to get reviews is within Amazon's guidelines. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so this is the update that Amazon put out on their blog on October 3rd, 2016. So it says update on customer reviews. And I have linked to this update on in the resource section. And pretty much the important thing that they're saying here is that you are not allowed to offer compensation or requesting compensation, including free or discounted products, in exchange for creating, modifying, or posting content. So this is where they are banning incentivized reviews. So you're not allowed to offer compensation or in exchange for the customers posting content, or content as in a review for that discounted product. Yes. So the current Amazon review rules, in short, says that you cannot exchange free or discounted products for reviews. You are allowed, though, to give out promo codes for discounted products, but you cannot ask for the reviews when doing so. So you're allowed to give out promo codes for discounted products, but you can't ask for reviews. And you can't do that implicit, or you can't do that, you can have others to do it. You need to stay clear of that. Customers can leave up to 5 non-verified reviews per week. And non-verified reviews is people that haven't bought your product. They can still review your product. So maybe they bought it offline in a store or somewhere else. Yeah, they can do that, but they can only leave 5 non-verified reviews per week. And you are allowed to exchange product for reviews, but only with Amazon's Vine review program, which is an invite-only review program. So this pretty much works the way that the old Blast services did. Only difference is that you can apply for it, you can try, but it's pretty much only invite-only. I'm going to go over what you can do to get into the Vine review program and later on in the course. Amazon, they will ban sellers that tries to violate the new review rules. I've heard horror stories of people having their Amazon account banned, having their their money frozen, and Amazon won't listen to them because they have a no tolerance policy going forward with scammers and people trying to violate the rules. The only exemption from this part of the update is that books are exempt from the new review rules. Books in exchange for a product review is still allowed, and it looks like it always will be. But anything else than books, it's banned. So what I request you do is not only watch this video, but look up the links that I post in resource section, and just don't risk your account. Its bans are permanent. Having said all this, read up and you'll be fine. Don't worry. You can still get reviews and you can still get sales to get your product off the ground, and you can still do that within a short time frame, like 2 weeks. But it will require you to, work a bit more for it. You can't just, pass on that problem to someone else and let them handle it. You have to, put up your sleeves and get working at it. But it's definitely doable. And if you follow the steps in this video, you'll be successful. And don't look at this as the doom of making money on Amazon, this review update. It's definitely not. This is actually good for you. It's good for the consumers. They can continue to trust Amazon. They can continue to get cheap products from Amazon. And it's good for you because now all the scammers, they'll be sorted out, thrown out by Amazon, and only the serious people will stay on Amazon. And since you're taking this course, you are obviously seriously about building your business on Amazon. And if you follow the rules as I teach in this course, you'll be fine. Your products will soar on Amazon. You'll create a great business on Amazon. So yeah, don't worry. You'll be fine. And let's get started ranking your product or helping you revive that product.